y'all, I am Rachel from Her Thrive, and I'm so excited that you're here today. I'm sharing my Tuesday morning craft haul. Okay, so it's Tuesday morning in a couple other stores, but it all started off with Tuesday morning. So I love to go there because they often have this brand, Simple Stories, and you can usually only find it online. I very rarely find them in any craft stores. So they had this paper pad. It's a 6x8 and it's called I Am. It's $3.99. That's like a really good deal. And then they had these pocket cards. I already opened the package, of course, and they were about the same. I think they were like $3.99 as well. And so I got these two and I thought, I love that. I need to go get more pieces. So let me flip through this really quickly. So this is, I wouldn't say this is cardstock. This is more like paper. Does it say cardstock? It just says paper pad. So I don't think it's supposed to be, I mean, it's not quite like thin paper, but it's just not quite cardstock. Like it's not, I wouldn't say it's thick enough to be considered cardstock, but it's double-sided. It's so beautiful. I love the leopard print. Oh, that one, these already fell out, I guess. This isn't a new collection. I think it came out sometime last year, but y'all, it's new to me. And I absolutely love it. It was $3.99. And then these cut-aparts are often in the 12x12 packs of paper. But the great thing about these is that they're double-sided. And when you get them in a pack of paper, the backs are all going to be the same print, right? And then you cut them, and then these are different. But since these are journaling cards that were already pre-cut, I like this. This is perfect. This is perfect for journaling. The backs are all going to be different. They're going to be probably more neutrals or like solids. Well, there's quite a few prints in here too. But you see the back has like a little bit of solids or like neutrals in there. They're not really bold. And then there are some that do, oh, don't know what that's from. This is Girl, You've Got This, Think Happy, Be Good, Do Good, Make Big Things Happen. So I just do a quick flip through. I didn't want to like, because this collection's not brand new. So you might have already seen a lot of this. Decide Your Vibe, Believe in Yourself. So this one is all about yourself. This is called I Am. So I feel like this is good to journal about yourself or tell your own story. Maybe you want to keep a story or journal for your children or just for yourself to like love on yourself. Oh, I didn't go in the back, did I? That was dumb. That was the whole point of that. You can see the back of that. They're all beautiful prints. Same with this one. I'm sorry if I'm speeding through this and that's not what you were here for. I just felt like since it's not new, people didn't want a full-on flip through, but I could be completely wrong. So let me know if you were here for a complete flip through. I love that's so beautiful. I just wanted to share my craft haul and my next project collection. I'm going to be using this for my next project. I want to do a mini album, but I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it. I'm hesitant about doing a really small one because I really like these journaling cards. So maybe it won't be a mini album. Maybe it'll be another like 4x6 album like I did with my prayer journals. Okay, so I got these items right at Tuesday morning, and these are the only pieces I had. So I wanted to find some more pieces, and I went to this craft place. There's a girl in McKinney who has a craft booth. It's a store in McKinney. And she had a couple of pieces. So she had this. This was like $3.99 or something. And these are chipboard stickers. And it's not missing. The chipboards, they will come out after a while. I think they're sticky. They are. But they come out very easily, you see, and they're back there. So I bought this from her craft booth. She didn't have like the whole collection, but she just had various, it's just a craft, things that you can't buy in the craft stores, like Simple Stories, Echo Park, all those things. She had those there. So I bought this, and then she didn't have like a whole bunch of paper, but I bought this sticker sheet, and then I wanted more leopard print, the 12x12. So I bought this, and I feel like maybe there was one more sheet. That might have been it. I might have just gotten this leopard print. I should have got several more. I don't know what I was thinking. They're like $1 something a piece. I guess I just got these 2 pieces and I thought I wanted more leopard print because I do have the paper pad, and I needed stickers because they didn't come with any stickers. And then I went to another Tuesday morning in Frisco like a week or so later. And Frisco location normally doesn't have, or the one time I went, they didn't hardly have any craft supplies. But look what I found. I found this 12 by 12 collection kit. It says it has 98 pieces. And this one, it was $11.99, and it's normally $24.99 online. Okay, so I was like, seriously, I wish I would have known because this is such a deal. Now I have doubles, so that's fine. I'm going to use them. But it came with this, and it came with the sheet of sticker that I purchased at that craft booth. But I'm not mad because it's okay to have doubles, but I don't often use all of these stickers, but I'm just going to have to make a point to do that. So it came with the chipboard stickers, cardstock stickers. How much sheets of paper does it have? It says 12 sheets of double-sided and one, let's see. Yeah, 12 sheets of double-sided. That's what it is. It's describing what's in the double-sided. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog snore. He's asleep in the other room. Look how beautiful these florals are. These prints are so bold. And I feel like you can use this for spring or fall. Like, if you were doing something seasonal, I just love how bold these colors are. Like, this is a great fall or spring. Maybe not summer, but I feel like I want to use this not to be a seasonal, like, you know, scrapping my vacation or whatever. So these are like the little cut aparts that you can do. These are like 2 by 2, I believe. Possibly 3 by 3. I wish I had my ruler with me. Let me see. Because I don't want to give you incorrect information. I can find my ruler. Where's my ruler? Okay. I'm looking for... Okay, I can't find my ruler. Well, that sucks. These are probably, oh, dummy. It says right there, 2 by 2 elements. That was so dumb. And this is the back. That's beautiful. Wasted time on that. These are 3 by 4s. So these are like the pocket page cards that I showed you. But see, the thing about these is they're great. But on the back, you're going to have the same print. Which is actually not a bad thing because you can use, I often, if it comes with more than one of these and they're exactly the same, this one looks like it doesn't, I'm going to use the back side of that. So it's not necessarily a bad thing. And then you have the 4 by 4 elements. So this one looks like it has no doubles. Some of these kits have doubles. This one has no doubles. This is so cute. This is the 4 by 6. And then also included in that, so it had the paper. And then it had the stickers and the chipboard. But then it also has this... ephemera pack, these die cuts. What do they call it? Ephemera bits and pieces. So it comes with these. So this was such a good deal. It's normally $24.99, which I don't think is a bad price either. But now I have extra chipboards, extra stickers. I've got the ephemera, and I've got like big paper and little paper. And these are so great because there's a lot of journaling on here. One of a kind. I don't like when they come with too many of these. There was another, I think it's the Echo Park one, came with a ton of, like, I think that one was scripture. But I like to layer, and you can't when it has like phrases or whatever. I love these labels. These are okay, these small ones that don't have like a bunch, because you could still layer these pretty well. But it's when it's a bunch of the big ones, you can't. I love that there's a lot of journaling. This is enough, lovely. What does this say? Just me, grateful. These are going to be great for layering. These circles right here. These are going to be great for layering. Stay happy, hustle hard, focusing on the good, dream big. Yeah, these are going to be great to layer. Oh, I like that. This little card, it says, I am. Oh my gosh, that darn dog. He is snoring away. He's so loud. I know you can hear him because I heard him on my last video. Fabulous. I love these because you can either write like dates on them, names, just whatever. I usually write dates and names on them, or dates. or places. You are beautiful, capable, worthy, and loved. I love this collection because it's like loving yourself, you know, and it's more focused on that and talking about yourself and focusing on you rather than everyone else that we take photos of or talk about. Or it's a place to like be positive about yourself, and you know, you're not going to sit here and write negative things about yourself that you probably tell yourself in your head all the time. But it's a great journaling place. I'm not sure exactly. I know I want to make a mini album, but I'm not sure like what route I'm going. Am I telling my story, like, you know, my story where I grew up, all those things, or am I just talking to myself? Am I just like, you know, journaling things like that about me, things that I like about, like trying to like lift me up, I guess, being an encourager to myself, or am I telling my story? I'm not really sure. Maybe I do both. I mean, I have quite a few pieces. I love this paper. So yeah, there's no doubles in here, but it's still like both sides are really great. So I am actually glad that I bought an extra sheet of this leopard print, because that's really going to come in handy. I'm going to go ahead and put these in here together so I don't lose them. Let me go ahead and just stick that together. So I do have that extra leopard print, and this paper is cardstock. It's definitely thicker than this here, which is not a bad thing. I actually prefer paper sometimes over cardstock, especially if you're putting it like on discs or something, because it gets too thick. But yeah, so I have this 12 by 12, the 6 by 8, the ephemera, these two chipboards, and then I have these. I'm sure there's other parts in the collection like buttons or stamps that I don't have, and probably I don't know if this one comes with foam stickers, but normally there's like other little pieces that I probably don't have. But I really like this one, and I'm so excited, and I can't wait to work on it. I don't know what else I don't know what kind of mini album I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do something. I was thinking about maybe this size that I got from Coco and Reno, the die set. This die set I got from Coco and Reno. See, it's like a little die. It makes a little booklet. It's like perforated or whatever, scored, and then you can just stack them. And I just cut this black paper. I can cut this paper. I'm not sure, but all I know is I want it to be I don't want it to be flat. Like my last book I did on discs, it had to be pretty flat. I want there to be like different elements that you can lift up and all that kind of thing. So yeah, that is my collection that I'm so excited about, my little craft haul that I got from Tuesday morning. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked watching these kind of videos, and hit a thumbs up if you liked it. Talk to you later. Bye. Or see you later. Bye.